Okay, I'm gonna try to make a non-bitchy video here. So I have the NordicTrack, whatever it is, X22i. The incline was stuck and not working. And so, I mean, there's only really three parts. You have the incline motor and the screw mechanism. There's a little sensor right here, goes all the way over here, and then you have the control board over here. So it's either gonna be the incline mechanism, the sensor, or the control board. I mean, really, like, honestly. So I did a video, I'll link it, where I replaced this. This is new. I actually since then replaced the sensor. This is like 50 bucks. The sensor is like 25 bucks. I was like, all right, fine, they're cheap. In the video, when I replaced this, it does start working again, which I was like, cool, awesome. Mechanical, it bound up, no biggie. Cool. But like a week or two later, it stopped working again. It started doing the same thing where it goes, it'll like incline, and then you try to do the incline adjustment or whatever, and it just stays right there, and it goes, and it says like the calibration is done. So I was like, same problem, exact same thing it was doing before. So I was like, all right, fine. So I replaced the sensor, which was a pain. Same thing, do the incline calibration, it goes bzz, 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 bzz. So I'm like, all right, so it's gotta be something electrical. Come over here, take the panel off, which was a pain in and of itself because they used the wrong screws and it was just a pain. But anyways, I take the panel off and the first thing I see is, it's like this. This freaking blue wire was pinched between the solder joint and this brown wire right here. That was it. That was the problem. That was the whole freaking problem, was this was pinched right here and it was pulling on the connector. And so this connector right here wasn't making a good connection. So I literally had to unpinch it and it worked. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? A $3,000 treadmill, $3,000 treadmill, and the freaking wire is pinched from the factory. No one saw it. I mean, they must have seen it because where's the QC sticker? There's a QC sticker around here somewhere. So someone looked at it, someone put it together, someone saw it, someone zip tied it, and they're like, oh, there's just a blue wire that's just pinched in here. That's fine. It's not gonna cause any problems. So if your incline doesn't work on your NordicTrack, don't call a technician. Check and make sure the wire isn't just pinched. Yeah. Welcome to my TED Talk, and thank you. Have a nice day.